Hey everybody, how's it going? If I would have been thinking straight, I would have tried to pick this out of the package in my package video from Ith, because I thought he was only going to send me this beautiful lock here, and this is a beautiful lock, I'll tell you that. It's an Asa Combi, twin Combi, but I didn't think he was going to send me a challenge lock, so it kind of caught me off guard, but let's see if we can do it now and get her picked open. Oops. And I don't know if I told you guys, this is called it's modified by Potti314, called the Basi-monster. Alright, let's see how tough this Basi-monster is. Okay, I don't know, I gotta click off a 5 and 4, got a little rotation on the core. Click off a 3 there. And everything's feeling pretty solid. There's a little movement from 4, felt like. It's kind of hard to ride along that edge of that warding there, but that was a click on 3. There was a click on 2. Little click on 5. There's a little click on 4. Some counter on 5. Might be a T-pin though, because it's feeling pretty stout. Okay, that was a little click on 4. But it didn't feel like I gained anything. Okay, there was a little turn on the core off of 5. A little click off of 3. And there we go, we got it open. Alright, cool. Fun little pick. And let's move this over here. Get this out of the way. And I was noticing that my last video where I blew the gutting, this has the same kind of holes in the core, in the back of the core. So we're gonna try to make sure not to screw that up. Right now we're gonna lock it back up because we do have the key, and I'll show you that the key works. Key does work. Yeah. See how tough this clip's gonna be to get off. Oh, not too tough. Not too bad. It's a lot softer metal than I thought it was gonna be, which is cool. And let's go ahead and throw this key in there. Let's try to get it shimming there too. Especially with them big old gaping holes back there. Ooh. Okay. I did get a shim quite a ways in there. Try to push it a little further maybe. Yeah. I might have made it miss it though. I think we got the shim in there right. Hopefully. A little gun shine now. But let's go ahead and turn this to where we ain't got no gaping holes. And see if we can't push it out. Alright, there we go. That worked out much better than the last one. Go ahead and check these out. Looks like we got threading in 2, 3, 4, and 5. And I can't tell if one's undercut or if there's just no modification to it. Alright, so pin 1, we got a standard. Pin 2, we got a serrated. Pin 3, we got a... It's kind of milled out in the center. It's not necessarily a serration or a spool. Pin 4, we got serrations on the top of the key pin. And pin 5 is serrated on top of the key pin. And when I do a close-up, you'll see what I mean. That it's not necessarily a spool or serrated. Might be able to see it from where you're at, but let's go to the top here. We'll take the shim out. See what we got. Ooh, that's just barely above the shear line. If you can see that. Just barely sticks out above the shear line. And looks like it might have a little taper on it, but that's about it. Got a little copper spring, tiny copper spring. And on 2, we got a spoolish pin. And the spring doesn't want to come out yet, so we'll wait on that. And 3's the same way. Three, we got a copper spring. And a standard, looks like. And let's see, let's try to get that other spring out of there. And it's not gonna come, we'll get it out afterwards. Whoop. In 4 we have a double-sided serration. It looks like an acetate pin. And we'll see if we can get that. Let's see. We got a spool in 5. And a copper spring for 4. And the other 2 springs are copper. That is spring 5. And spring 2 just don't want to come out of there. But it is copper. Maybe I could get it out with the pick here. I don't even want to come out with the pick. Oh, here it comes. Okay. There we go. And they are different springs. I didn't realize that. Alright guys, sorry about that. I got a phone call. But they are all different springs, which I didn't realize. But let's go ahead. 1 and 3 have threading at the top. And let's have a look at this again while we're at it. And it looks like 1 and 3 on this are not threaded. So he threaded the top and didn't do the cores on the opposing sides. So that's pretty cool. And come up and I'll show you the pins here. Very nice pins. If I could find my tweezers. Yep. This is the one I said it's not necessarily a spool and it's not necessarily serrated. It's just got some work done to it. I guess you'd call that kind of a spool. But it's very gradual. It doesn't have sharp edges. And yeah, there you go. And I'll show you guys the bitting here. There's your bitting for that lock. Alright guys, thanks. Potti, that was a nice lock. Thanks for making it. Thanks for sending it. If you don't have consent, keep your pick to yourself. Don't break the law and have a good day. Thanks.